Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in.
Do you want to get logged in HomeStreet Bank? Then just watch this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. You just need to open your browser and search for the keywords HomeStreet Bank login. There, after hitting the enter button, you will see many search results related to HomeStreet Bank. Click on this online personal banking link. Just click on it and you will be redirected to the login page of HomeStreet Bank. There you can see a login button at the top right corner. Just press on it and click the required button over here. I'll show you how to do it in personal account. After that, a form will appear where you have to fill your user ID. You can see it. Fill your user ID over here. Make sure your user ID is appropriate according to your account and click on this continue button. After that, you will see a one-time security code over here. You have to fill up the one-time security code which will be sent in your email.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.